Hey there, guys. It's me, Steve. How's it going? Hope you're doing amazing. Hope you guys can hear me clear and loud. These waves are very loud, the waves. But we out here having a good time. You know what I'm saying? Just out here, essentially enjoying a very, very nice day out. But what I want to tell you today is that no matter where you are in life, there's two seasons in every job. There's the season of steering clear, everything's happy, everything's abundant, because you either started the job, so you got the high of like, oh, I'm gonna trade my time for some money. Or maybe you're actually in a job that you actually enjoy. And that's like the high period. But there's a season in every job, even if you love the job, when you're doing a lot of repetitive tasks, or maybe you're just doing something that is not as fulfilling, or maybe you're just like, you really want to be able to just do whatever it is that you want to do, which is probably something unrelated to your 9 to 5. And then that job literally feels stagnant. It feels like you're almost in the DMV on a daily basis. And you're meant to thrive. You're meant to be alive. You're meant to feel amazing. You're meant to see beautiful places, such as the one that I'm in right now. This is absolutely beautiful, even though the conditions are not well to get into the water. But that's how you should feel in any job, business, 9 to 5 that you get into. If you don't feel like you're thriving, if you feel the opposite is happening, if it feels like you're literally just doing it to get the money, that's the moment that I should step away, or I should at least reevaluate what it is that I'm doing, because you're meant for more. You're meant to be more, you're meant to do more, you're meant to strive for more, and you have to be very honest with yourself. Do you want to keep living the same life you're living? Or if you really want to see on the other side what all those other people that took a chance on themselves actually made happen. Whether it is, I'm going to create a YouTube channel, I'm going to start little side hustles, I'm going to start a little Shopify or Etsy store, I'm going to do some Amazon influencer program. Whatever it is that like you decide that you want to try or start, or even change your 9 to 5. You can go and try other 9 to 5s. Having a 9 to 5 is not bad. Having a 9 to 5 you hate, having a 9 to 5 that doesn't bring you joy, is the thing that it's the bad thing. So ultimately, the message I want to like really hone in your brain is that life is literally just a series of choices. If you made a bad choice at one point because you were struggling financially, you didn't know what to do, you thought that was the best option, you can change. Change is literally a constant part of life. I've been to this beach before and the waves weren't this crazy. But guess what? Change happens even in our nature. So now the water is not apt for me to get into it. But guess what? Another day is going to change and I'll be able to get in. The same thing with your job, same thing with the ways that you earn income. Everything in this world moves with money. So if you want to earn more, just do something different. If you're doing the same thing, that's literally the constant answer of insanity. Just do something different, believe in yourself, and you'll make it happen. If you like this type of content, if you like this type of videos, please subscribe. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. It will help us a lot. Like the video, share with a friend or two that might need it more than you do, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care and have a wonderful rest and blessed day. Bye-bye.